Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about the topic which may or may not be useful, but usually when we work on a project, right? So there are more than one languages in a particular IVR project right now. The demos which we have shown so far or the application we have created, right? It is mostly based on English, right? So that's a default language we get. How we can add more language, how we can leverage the prompts and the phrase set, right? So if you see expand the your project, right, you can see English over here, right? So it's contain its own grammars, phrase sets, prompts, right? So this is specific for English language. Similarly, if you want to add more language, right, let's say Spanish or Japanese, Chinese, Hindi, all those language, right? So what is the step is first you go to the properties and find for orchestration designer. Okay, it's not here because we will move into speech mode. So over here you have to change. So again, right click properties, yeah, orchestration designer. Let me expand this one. So over here you will see under orchestration designer there is a language tab. So right now you can see the only English is added, right? So if let's say I want to add something called Hindi, right? I need its what you say bundle packs to be installed. Right now I don't have it, right? But I can give it like simple name, and what it will do, it will create replicate actually. First it will create a Hindi folder. Okay, so let me do that. Localization bundle you can install more. So how you can do is you can, I think, no, sorry. Uh, so this is there. Oh, okay, once we install it, then it will appear over here, and we can add more the path to over there. ASR language and all those thing is by default over there. So let's me add over here Hindi, right? Now what I can do is my starting language I can check. Let's say for this, let's say this IVR is deployed in US and in India, right? So based on the any, right, preferred any, whatever the number they have dialed, we can customize like, okay, if it is a calling number is from US region, then we will have English as a primary language, and we can choose the Hindi. So that will be the starting point where all the phrase set and prompts will be taken care, right? So let's put it like that and apply and close. So what it will do now, so I will cancel. So you will see Hindi folder added over here. Can you see over here? So apart from English, now we also have the Hindi. Okay. Now it has created its own prompts, which we already have over here. You can see. Okay. So if I double click over here, uh, it will saying that I think we don't have the standard this one, right? So I will just click and save. We don't have the standard audio library like A, B, C, D, all those things. Those things you can download from Avaya support page, I guess. Yeah. From there, you can download each and every bundles which are available for all the languages local. Okay, so once it is done, right? So let me give you another example where you can leverage or use it. So if I go to the flow, where is the flow? Here, right. So you have added uh, the language over there. Okay. Now, once you go, right, so you can select which one you want to go. So accordingly, you can define English, or you can want to go for Hindi, or you can go for both. So what it will do, it will open both the prompt, right? So this one is open from English. Can you see over here and over here Hindi? The recommendation, my personal recommendation is first you develop whole call flow in English and then add the other language like Spanish or Hindi or anything else, right? Why? Because it will help you to reduce your development effort. Complete in English, then move to other one. Again, what it will allow you dynamically, right? It will allow you to what you can say. So right now, if say the language is selected as Hindi, and then it will pick up over here the Hindi prompt file, right? And if it is selected as English, it will dynamically pick the English one. You don't have to create if else, what is the language, and all those check you don't have to do. So that is a good thing over there. How you can change the language? That I will also show you. So there is a data tag over here. Let me do something like this, and over here, and let's go to the language and select over here. Let's give the name as set language. Okay. So what we can do is there is a operation tab. We will drag and drop that one under the type, right? So if you scroll down, this is what we have set current language, right? And we can select from the drop down Hindi. Okay. Now we're able to assign, that's it. Now what it where we can use leverage this kind of a set language. Let's say you have a call and the initial menu is hi, welcome to XYZ. To continue in English, press 1. To change the language to Hindi, press 2. For Spanish, press 3, right? So if user, let's say, press 1, then we'll set language as English. If it user press 2, then we will set as Hindi. And if user have space 3, then we will use Spanish. So that's how you can control the locale it will use from the consecutive next prompts, right? So before that, it will be the default one which you have set over here. Let me go back. So the default one is this one, and then using this set language, what is a operation, right? Or yeah, operation kind of a. Then you can change the language based on the selection user input. So yeah, so this is all about multiple language and localization that we perform in Avaya OD. Hope you like the video. If any comment or query, just put in the YouTube comment section. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you.